This video will show you how to use a Manfrotto tripod with the Panasonic UX90 camera. Please review this video a couple times before scheduling your camera knowledge test so you are able to use the equipment carefully and successfully on your own. When setting up your tripod, make sure that you are on a flat surface. So you're going to spread the feet of the tripod apart, and then you're going to set it up to the appropriate length that you need to, and of course releasing and readjusting the locks so it's the proper fit based on your needs. This tripod is very adjustable and flexible, but it is incredibly steady. And then you can use many accessories and the tripod can still support it. So whether you're using an external monitor, microphones, what have you, you can attach it without a problem. So there are different features of the tripod that are important to know. An important thing to know about is the half ball rotation system under the tripod, which is a really great tool. There is also the variable fluid drag system with pan and tilt movements, which will be demonstrated. These are really great to know. It is really important to understand the sliding plate to ensure that your camera is on securely. Make sure that you keep it nice and tight and so it stays secure. So you will use the safety release and then slide the piece out, and then of course redo the safety release once the plate is on. When you're done, you're going to remove the accessories like display monitors or external microphones before removing the camera from the tripod, just to make it easier to transfer. And of course, use the safety release, then slide the plate out, and make sure that you redo the safety release once the plate is back on. Thanks for watching.